In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my best study tips that you can utilize as a student to excel in your studies, ngave kuri ku primary, ku high school, or ku tertiary, or any study ya unenge chita. These tips might help. But before I begin, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss out on any important updates. That being said, let's begin the video. Chekutanga usatanga kuita study yacho is very crucial to get into a study friendly environment. Why? Because kana uri mu environment inenge siri conducive for studying, it's very difficult to concentrate on your studies. So the number one key point is to get into an environment ku allow or encourage to be productive pakuverenga, pakustudy and all those things. That's one. Two, it's also very crucial to remove my distractions, like for example, my phones, maybe WhatsApp or my video games or maybe TV and stuff like that. Can I remove environment of my distractions? It's very crucial to remove those distractions. Why? Because my distractions it's very difficult to concentrate on your studies. So that's one of the key issues I find also. And also, I think it's also very important to set a timetable to study. Why? Because can a timetable, because you know the time I want to start this subject or this module or this, I don't know, it's going to study also. So it's very crucial to have a timetable to study, a study timetable. And also, just to add on, I think it's also very crucial to identify your peak hours, your peak performance hours. For example, therefore they opt to study maneru. So it's very crucial to see that your concentration get peak in the papi, and you try to utilize those hours so that you won't waste your time. Now tapinda manje twatanga kustudy manje. I think it's very crucial to write down some of my key points or my key takeaways aningochinota from you zvakuverenga. So for example, let's say kuverenga about many stories, novel kana zichi. I think it's very crucial to have your own notebook and you can jot down some of my crucial points or some of my key takeaways or kunota from that story, so that you're gonna go through those short notes so that you can recall. And also, I think others understand Japanese my disk, so relations high school, even in university, whereby my key points by disk chichi, then you just then you just reading go through memorize my key points and it also helps. Then I think it's also crucial to stay hydrated when go to verenga. Why? Because when your body is hydrated, energy going to peak. 1, 2 to sabat because kana get dehydration it's very easy to fall asleep. So it's very crucial to stay hydrated on go verenga so that the concentration levels keeps norambari at optimal or at maximum level, maximum capacity. That's also very important. And I think it's also crucial to on go verenga kana uri munhu anobatsira music in terms of verenga. It's very important to add some background music so that you change the process of reading, the process of studying. But at the same time, you should be very cognitive when it comes to near the music. Why? Because panning music into distract from studying. For example, let's say some of my piano songs and again a high tempo. In terms of pakuverenga, yes, vanganogona kubatsira nawo papa masong yekuti ungona zongona watesa kupasai rakudachangata se pero akajaiva kuti kutsira musoro chichi so you'd be very cognitive panyaya ye-choice of music. Paunenge uchiverenga, use music inoita kuti uite sei upushe mabooks instead of kushandisa music indizokudistracta from your studies. That's also key. Then I think it's also very crucial to engage in my group discussions. For example, let's say ungamboverenga uri kumba, right? But paunoenda kana kuchikoro kana pane vamwe, I think it's also crucial to get with my group discussions chichichi. Why? Because zvinokubatsira to identify some of my knowledge gaps vanhu vakamisa panenge vachistarta kutaura kuti izvi zvinasina zvibata, but through kupekenwa nemumwe munhu you can easily get my concepts acho kurumidza kubata rather than panenge vachiverenga vega kumba. But it also helps kuti uite share with others zvaunenge wadzidza, so that unenge wakutochiona zvavara ndezvipi uchiexplainira kuti no ini ndakadzidza zvakati uye vamwe vachikutsanangura zvavakadzidzo, which is also crucial kuti ukurumidze kubata. It's also another key issue. Then I think it also helps kutsvagoma online tutorials, especially kana une data kana pa YouTube. Why? Because there are some complex concepts ekuti ukatry kuzverenga uri wega kumba zvinonetsa kubata. But if you get my online tutorials by YouTube or anyway pama online platforms and my online courses, if you get on those platforms, then you watch my tutorials unokurumidza kubata some of the concepts rather than try kuverenga wega pamba. Like for example, my subjects anenge ari complex, anenge ari too practical, or maybe my science subjects, I mean physics, chemistry and stuff like that, maths, zvese zvezve zvinogona kunetsa kuti unyatsobata wega, but then some of the concepts are too complex. But ukamboenda online then ukadzidza through my tutorials unogona kukasika kubata that way, which is dope, which is awesome. Then in terms of your study, what else can you add? I think that's all that I had for today for this video. Let me know in the comment section kana mune mamwe additional tips. I know that akatowandisa my tips ekustart now, but for this video I think I actually enough so that I can keep the video within the required timeline and often upload nayo. That being said, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and then hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss out on any important updates. That being said, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.